So everyone is talking about ChatGPT, and it's no doubt that the chatbot by OpenAI is growing at an exponential rate, and there's no better time for you to actually jump on it and start making money than now. With such power it comes with, it opens great opportunities and also brings a threat. It has created an explosion of many different income streams which you can actually leverage today. Although these income streams are mostly arbitrary income streams, meaning that due to the imbalance in the market, many of these income streams are going to die out when the balance comes in. But definitely there are many other income streams from ChatGPT which you can actually use today to build a business which is going to stay for a long period of time. And the best on this list, which is actually my favorite, is actually teaching people how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a model and it actually has documentation, and just actually giving it prompts is a whole process. It sounds simple, but definitely many people are not going to get adapted to use ChatGPT the way you are going to understand it. So if you go ahead and do much research, find out how this ChatGPT works, have a better understanding of it. You can actually list courses on Skillshare, list courses on Udemy, or actually open a YouTube channel here which you are going to be teaching people how to use ChatGPT. And in the next few months to 1 year, you're going to make so much money. And if you're smart enough, you can start creating your own books talking about ChatGPT, and you're going to make so much money. So guys, that's the first method which I'm going to be sharing with you. You can go ahead, do more research on it, and you're going to see that it is so powerful. So the next method which I'm going to be talking about here is the best for those who are real entrepreneurs and those who want to make the millions so fast. So ChatGPT's model has actually been left open for anyone to be able to fine-tune this model. So fine-tuning the ChatGPT model is one of the best ways which you can actually make money using ChatGPT. You're going to be building an MaaS, that is a model as a service. So what you need to do is actually get enough data set, input into ChatGPT using some knowledge in machine learning. And if you're not very versed with this, you can actually hire someone on Upwork or Fiverr to do the job for you, and you're going to build your own model and your own system which is going to look like ChatGPT, but it's going to be focused on a more specific topic which is going to make so much money from you. You just need to do small marketing, pump it on social media everywhere, and definitely you're going to be making money using ChatGPT, which is going to be long-lasting income stream. So those are the two methods which I've actually shared with you so far. And the third method which I'm going to be sharing with you here is actually copywriting and script writing. So ChatGPT has actually made writing super simple that I even feel scared that most of those who are writing are going to lose jobs. Like, not actually losing jobs, but they're going to limit the number of writers that are employed to companies. So what am I talking about? If you actually jump on ChatGPT to learn how to write scripts or learn how to write good copies, you're going to build a social media marketing agency, and you can also start a YouTube channel. So what am I talking about? You just need to go ahead and choose topics that you love, or topics that you're going to be interested in talking about every day. Open a YouTube channel which ChatGPT is going to go ahead and generate scripts for you. And you just need some little knowledge in actually designing thumbnails, put them together, and you're going to open a YouTube automation channel which is going to be giving so much money. So with the content creation explosion, there's going to be so much about content creation which many people are jumping into, and if actually jump into today, it's not going to be late for you, as YouTube is going to actually monetize it, aiming from shorts to everything. So if you actually jump on content creation today using ChatGPT, open your own social media marketing agency, or maybe just start writing copies for people, you're going to charge so much money on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork as a copywriter. So guys, actually think about this: writing scripts, open up your own YouTube channel, or actually listing yourself on freelance platforms as a copywriter. You're going to make so much money using ChatGPT. So if that sounds like you, go ahead today, do more research, actually do more sensing, find out how you can use ChatGPT to write scripts, or how you can use ChatGPT to do copywriting, and you're going to be among those who are going to make millions using ChatGPT. So after talking about YouTube automation, script writing, and copywriting, the best method which I'm going to be sharing with you now is actually creating your own content website. Yes, this is one of the most amazing, as this is your personal brand you are building. So what am I talking about? All you need to do is just go pay someone on Fiverr, or actually you can build your own website yourself using WordPress. And actually, once you build your website using WordPress, writing is super simple using ChatGPT. So you just need to choose a topic that you love, actually give ChatGPT topics, and it's going to be generating articles for you every single day. But I'm not going to recommend to you that you get articles on ChatGPT and post them on your blog, because it is not going to rank. So what you need to do is actually use rephrasing tools like Keyboard or any other rephrasing tool out there, use it together, make it so that it actually reduces the plagiarism of such your content which you're going to be posting on the internet. So actually build your website today, choose a topic, write articles, post them every single day, as ChatGPT is going to ease your work, making you to have more articles frequently, and you just need to actually schedule them, put them to pilot, and you're going to make money through affiliate marketing, making money through AdSense, and many other methods which you can use to monetize your blog. This is another way which I'm going to be sharing with you, the Lensa model. So everybody knows about Lensa, which was able to create anime avatars of people using the Lensa AI, and this Lensa AI was under the Stevie Diffusion AI. So it's going to help you to create and build a platform like Lensa, and if you're really smart, you can put in the marketing, and you just need to use social media, and you can go ahead and post promote this service. So Lensa just actually use social media marketing, Instagram, everybody was creating an image of themselves, and that's how the business went into boom. They were paying $10 to actually generate maybe 10 to 100 images of themselves using just the Chat GPT model, fine-tuning it and building their own business. So that sounds like you can actually use Chat GPT to make so much money. And definitely I'm not going to be left out, as I'm also going to use Chat GPT to make so much money and being among the millionaires in the AI revolution. So guys, choose any of these topics, and if you feel like there's anything I've left out, drop a comment, let me know, or give your own ideas in the comment section. Let's have a chat. I would love to know what you think about Chat GPT. See you in my next video. I'm Cyril and this is Double Take. Ciao. But if I never ever record fine video